Hey guys, today I will be showing you a really cute gift wrapping idea, breast cancer awareness inspired. I have this gorgeous gift wrap. It's so cute. It says hope all over it. I love that. And then I have solid pink. I have pink tulle, pink ribbon, which I believe this is like 2.5 inches in width, a large Bowdabra, scissors, a gift of course, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do, turn my box over. I like to estimate and see how much I will need. And I don't like to have too much excess, so I'm going to cut some of this off of the side. We will also need tape. So I'm going to, this is double-sided tape. This gift wrap is so gorgeous. Okay. So I just like to push the bottom in all the way to the box and make a crease. Do the same with the other side and also with the top. Then I just bring that down and bring it up. Just like that. Add your tape. There you go. Do the exact same thing with the other side. Push it in all the way. And tape it down. There we go. Look at how gorgeous that is. Just to make it different, I'm going to add in some of this solid pink gift wrap. And with this one, I'm actually going to fold it. And it definitely helps having the gridded paper for this part. So I'm just going to fold each grid. And it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. Okay, then unravel it. And of course I'm not going to use all of this, but I want to see exactly how much I need before I cut it. Alright, so you have it flat. And what you're going to do, take this first crease and fold it back down like this. So you have your first crease, you're going to come back and fold it down just like that. All the way across. And do the same with the next crease. Come back and fold it down. Actually going to fold the top back so that it's nice and smooth. I don't have any jagged edges. So this is what it looks like. You definitely take some tape and tape this back together and to go across. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like. I'm actually going to cut this side just so I can get rid of that edge. I'll go ahead and cut the other side as well. Double-sided tape. The same with the bottom. And I'm also going to do it on the side, definitely, so that it all stays together. Then how far you come around is completely up to you. You can definitely go all the way around if you'd like. So I'm just going to add some tape. Press it down. Just like that. And I think this part is just so cute and precious. It just adds a little extra touch. Next thing we're going to do is add our bow. So take your Bowdabra. I have bow wire that I fold in half and place down in the center. I have a piece of ribbon. It's 30 inches. Folding to find the center. I'm going to open, fold in half. The front comes up and the back comes up just like that, and place it down. Then I'm going to scrunch again. Scrunch once more. Now I'm going to take a 30-inch piece of tulle and do the exact same thing. Place it down, and the tulle isn't going to stay that well, but just do the best you can. Scrunch it. I'm just repeating these steps once again with the ribbon and then again with the tulle. So cute, and the tulle just adds a little extra flair to it. So cute and adorable. Alright, take your bow wire, 2 openings inside of the loop, and hold it down. And then just tie it a couple of times. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's going to look so cute and adorable right here. This time I'm actually just going to hot glue the bow in place. You guys know I love like reusing the bows, and I tie it in everything. So usually you guys know I like to tie it in a loop and hook it in the corner or anything like that. But this time I'm actually just going to tie it. So I take my hot glue gun. Small dot of glue, and just press it down just like that. And you can put a name or add whatever you'd like right there. It's just a little extra detail, or you can leave off this part altogether, or you can even use tissue paper if you'd like instead of wrapping paper right here, or tulle. It's completely up to you. Just have fun with it and make it your own. So for the next one, I already have my cute little gift box. I'm going to take my ribbon, which is so gorgeous, and I'm just going to crisscross it. It kind of like makes it 3D. So you can have it this way or flip it this way. I think I like this way better because it stands off of the gift more. Again, you can definitely make it smaller if you'd like. So this is how it will look. You can definitely get thinner ribbon if you want the bow smaller. I think the large bow just looks so cute and adorable. So I'm going to place a small amount of glue right at the cross of the two pieces. Also going to place a small amount on the gift wrap. And I'm going to cut the corners. Just like that. You are all done. So cute and precious. And there you have it. This is the Breast Cancer Awareness Edition. So cute and precious and simple to do.